Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is Unit 3 Testing and Maintenance of Rotating Machine MCQs. This is the unit number 3 in maintenance of electrical equipment. So the important topics are first is different test, that is the routine test, type test, special test and supplementary test. Second is method of testing, direct, indirect and regenerative method of testing, and also the definitions. And third point is induction motor, alternator and synchronous motor testing. And the fourth is troubleshooting chart, means ट्रबल मीन्स एखादा जर फॉल्ट झाला तर त्यावर ट्रबल शूटिंग चार्ट बघावं आपण. आणि त्यानंतर टूल्स आणि इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स. these are the 5 points, and this year the final year exam is online, so these MCQs are very important. So now we start. So first question is dot test is carried out on each and every machine manufactured in the industry. ऑप्शन्स आहेत राउटिंग टेस्ट, बी इज टाइप टेस्ट, सी इज स्पेशल टेस्ट अँड डी इज सप्लिमेंटरी टेस्ट. मीन्स अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की जी ईच अँड एव्हरी मशीनवरती ईच अँड एव्हरी मशीनवरती ती इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये केली जाते. तर म्हणजे इन दी इंडस्ट्री. सो दिस टेस्ट इज दी राउटिंग टेस्ट. Means our answer is routine test is carried out on each and every machine manufactured in the industry. And the next is the test which are carried out on few machines from the lot of the machines of same design and specification is called as. means अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की जी काही सम मशीनवरच तीच केली जाते की जेव्हा की सेम डिझाईनच्या खूप साऱ्या मशीन मॅन्युफॅक्चर होतील. म्हणजे की जर का 1000 मशीन सेम डिझाईनच्या मॅन्युफॅक्चर झाल्या तर त्यापैकी 100 मशीनवरती ही टेस्ट केली जाईल. तर अशी टेस्ट कोणती आहे? तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत राउटिंग टेस्ट, टाइप टेस्ट, स्पेशल टेस्ट अँड सप्लिमेंटरी टेस्ट. So the answer is option B, that is the type test. Type tests are carried out on few machines from the lot of the machines of same design and specification. It's called as type test. Next is out of the following test, which test is carried out on machine for specified purpose only. Means अशी कोणती मशीन आहे की जी अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की जी स्पेसिफाईड पर्पजसाठी केली जाते. तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत routine test, type test, special test and supplementary test. So the answer is special test. Means special test is carried out on the machine for specified purpose only. So this is the important question. And the next is out of the following tests, which test is not very common? Options are routine test, type test, special test and supplementary test. So our answer is D, that is the supplementary test. Means supplementary test ही कॉमन नाही. मीन्स our question is अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की जी कॉमन नाही. तर ॲन्सर आहे supplementary test. Means these tests are performed whenever necessary and are not very common. These are carried out if additional information is required about a particular machine. So then supplementary test is carried out. Next is in which method of testing two identical machines are electrically connected together and output of second machine is fed back to first machine, which saves power for testing. Options are direct method of testing, B is indirect method of testing, C is regenerative method of testing and D is none of the above. So your answer is C, that is regenerative method. Means two identical machines are electrically connected together and output of second machine is fed back to first machine, which saves power for rest testing. When two identical machines are used, then the regenerative method of testing is used. So your answer is regenerative method of testing. Next is Swinburne's test is an example of. Options are direct method of testing, indirect method of testing, regenerative method of testing, and none of the above. So our correct answer is option B, that is the indirect method of testing. Means Swinburne test is an example of indirect method of testing, and Bragg test is a direct test. Sometimes ask the question like Bragg test is an example of, then our answer is direct test, and OC and SC test is an example of indirect test, and back to back test is an example of the regenerative test. So this question answer is Swinburne test is the example of indirect method of testing. Next is, which of the following test is suitable for small machines up to 5 kilowatt capacity? Options are: A is Bragg test, B is Swinburne's test, C is regenerative test, and D is none of the above. Means our question is, अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की जी सुटेबल आहे स्मॉल मशीन्सला अप टू दी 5 किलोवॅट कॅपॅसिटी? So our answer is Bragg test. Means Bragg test is suitable for small machines up to 5 kilowatt capacity. Bragg test is for small machine, Swinburne test is for large capacity machine, and regenerative test is for two identical small, medium, big machines. Sometimes question asks which of the following test is suitable for large capacity machine, then our answer is Swinburne test. And when the question asks which of the following test is suitable for the large or two identical or medium, then our answer is regenerative test. So this is also the important question. And the next is, which of the following test result are most accurate? मीन्स अशी कोणती टेस्ट आहे की ज्याचा रिझल्ट ॲक्युरेट आहे? तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत: ब्रॅग टेस्ट, बी स्विनबर्न test, C is regenerative test, D is none of the above. So our answer is Bragg test. Means Bragg test result is very accurate. So the Bragg test result are most accurate, Swinburne test result are approximate, and regenerative test result are nearly accurate. So the next is, insulation resistance test of 3-phase induction motor comes under. Means insulation resistance test of 3-phase induction motor comes under. Options are routine test, B is type test, C is special test, and D is supplementary test. So the insulation resistance is a test of 3-phase induction motor. It comes under the routine test. So the routine test of 3-phase induction motor includes insulation resistance test, measurement of DC resistance, high voltage test, open circuit voltage ratio test, lock rotor test, reduced voltage running up test, and measurement of slip. These are all in the routine test of 3-phase induction motor. And next is type test of 3-phase induction motor. Type test include temperature rise test and momentarily overload test. So these are about the routine test and type test. So the next question is, Swinburne's test is conducted on. So options are DC shunt machine, DC series machine, DC compound machine, and none of the above. So the Swinburne's test is conducted on DC shunt machine. Next is, which test is required to draw circle diagram of 3-phase induction motor? No load test, block rotor test, A or B, or both A and B. So our answer is option D, both A and B. Means no load test and block rotor test both required to draw circle diagram of 3-phase induction motor. Next is, earth tester is also known as Megger, modern Megger, insulation Megger, none of the above. So our answer is B, modern Megger. Means earth tester is also known as the modern Megger. 13th question is, RAC is equal to the ... RDC. Means resistance of AC is equal to the what value? Resistance of DC. So always resistance of AC is equal to the 1.25 times the resistance of RDC. Means resistance of DC. So our answer is option B, that is the 1.25. 14th is, DC resistance can be measured by ammeter voltmeter method, Wheatstone bridge method, Kelvin's double bridge method, all of the above. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Means DC resistance can be measured by ammeter voltmeter method, Wheatstone bridge method, Kelvin's double bridge method. Next is the resistance increases with increasing in temperature, decreasing in temperature, constant temperature, or none of the above. So the resistance increases with increasing temperature. Both are increasing. So increasing resistance increases temperature. Our answer is option A. Question number 16 is feeler gauge is used for taking out and refitting of bearing, for checking the air gap between two parts, checking shapes, alignment of shapes, to check the level of machine and foundation. So our answer is option B, for checking the air gap between two parts. Feeler gauge is used for checking the air gap between two parts. So we see the function of all instruments. Bearing puller for taking out and refitting of bearing, and dial tester checking shapes, alignment of shapes, and spirit level to check the level of machine and foundation, and growler for finding the shorted turns of coil. So these are the functions of this instrument. Question number 70 is induction motor runs hot, then possible cause is no supply voltage, improper ventilation, improper frequency, one or more phase open. So our answer is option B, that is the improper ventilation. Means induction motor runs hot, then possible cause is improper ventilation. 18th is the depth of the foundation for 75 to 100 HP machine is. Our answer is option A, that is 35 to 60 centimeter. So for the 50 to 75 HP machine, our depth is 25 to 30 centimeter, and for 20 to 50 HP our depth is 20 to 25 centimeter, and for 10 to 25 HP machine depth is 15 to 20 centimeter. So this is also the important question. So I hope you like this video. Thank you and subscribe the channel.